The life and leadership of Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un is the leader of North Korea, a small and mysterious country in East Asia. He became the leader in 2011 after the death of his father, Kim Jong-il. His grandfather, Kim Il-sung, was the founder of North Korea and is still respected as a great leader by the people. The Kim family has been in power for over 70 years, and they are seen as very important in North Korea. Kim Jong-un's date of birth is believed to be January 8, 1984, but some sources say it might be a different year. Many things about his life are kept secret, making him a very mysterious figure. Not much is known about Kim Jong-un's early life because the government does not share much information about him. However, we know that he went to school in Switzerland when he was young. He used a fake name in school so that no one would know who he was. While studying in Switzerland, Kim Jong-un learned to speak English, French, and German. He was not only interested in studying but also enjoyed playing basketball. He loved watching NBA games, and his favorite player was Michael Jordan. He admired Jordan so much that he collected basketball shoes and jerseys. In addition to sports, Kim Jong-un liked video games and action movies. After finishing his education abroad, Kim Jong-un returned to North Korea to prepare to become a leader. His father, Kim Jong-il, taught him how to rule the country and how to control the military. Kim Jong-un's leadership officially started in 2011, when his father passed away. As a young leader, many people doubted his ability to rule, but he quickly showed that he could take control. As a leader, Kim Jong-un focuses on making North Korea strong and independent. He controls both the government and the military. He started many big projects in the country, such as building new apartments, factories, parks, and schools. Kim Jong-un says he wants his people to live better lives and have more opportunities. However, many people in North Korea still live in poverty. Some villages do not have enough food, clean water, or medical care. This is one of the biggest problems in his country. Kim Jong-un also worked on making North Korea's military more powerful. He focused on developing nuclear weapons to protect his country from enemies. He believes that nuclear weapons will stop other countries from attacking North Korea. However, this decision caused tension with other nations. The United States, Japan, and South Korea are very worried about these weapons. In 2018 and 2019, Kim Jong-un met with the leaders of the United States and South Korea to discuss peace and nuclear disarmament. These meetings were historic because it was the first time a North Korean leader met with an American president. However, no final agreements were made, and the relationship between these countries remains difficult. Kim Jong-un has both friends and enemies in the world. His closest ally is China, which helps North Korea by providing economic and political support. China is North Korea's largest trading partner and an important source of food and fuel. Russia is also friendly with North Korea, and they sometimes work together. On the other hand, countries like Japan, South Korea, and the United States are critical of Kim Jong-un. These countries do not trust him because of his nuclear weapons program and the strict way he rules his country. Kim Jong-un is often in the news. In North Korea, the media always praises him and shows him as a kind, wise, and strong leader who loves his people. They report that he works hard to make the country better. However, outside North Korea, many people have a different opinion. International media often criticizes him for his policies and for how his government controls the lives of the North Korean people. Kim Jong-un is also known for his luxurious lifestyle. He loves expensive things, like cars, watches, and yachts. He enjoys fine dining and is known to have a special liking for Swiss cheese. He also has a large collection of luxury goods that are rare in his country. While many people in North Korea struggle to find food, Kim Jong-un lives a very comfortable life. Despite his controversial actions, Kim Jong-un is a strong and determined leader. He wants to make his country powerful, even though many people disagree with his methods. His leadership has brought both achievements and challenges for North Korea. Some people admire his strength and determination, while others criticize him for the problems in his country. Kim Jong-un's life is full of mystery, power, and controversy, making him one of the most talked about leaders in the world today.